मेहरबान और कदरदान अगले कुछ समय के लिए जुड़ जाए हमारी इस अनोखी सी कहानी में, जहां मैं तारा आपको अपनी जिंदगी की एक दास्तान दिखाना चाहती हूँ। दोस्तों, जिंदगी हसीन है मगर सिर्फ उनके लिए जो अपनी दिल की सुनते हैं, क्योंकि सिर्फ जो अपनी दिल की सुनते हैं वो जानते हैं कि अपनी मर्जी से जीना कितना मुश्किल है, लेकिन उतना ही खूबसूरत भी।
Kabir, Kabir, can you just come here?
हाँ, कमिंग. Hey, wait.
Are you done?
Oh, nice. क्या हुआ?
At least say something.
Yeah, I don't know.
Seriously?
ये गलत भी तो हो सकता है ना?
That's the third test that you're holding.
तो अब?
I don't know. I just really don't know.
Hey, तारा. Calm down, okay? We'll figure it out. कुछ कर लेंगे. Okay?
Kabir, we need to get an abortion done like as soon as possible.
यार, इतना इजी थोड़ी होगा. और तूने सब सोचा है? Are you sure about it?
Yes, I have. But why are you even thinking about this? I mean, you know I'm leaving in 3 months for London. And we decided that we'll end this
I
relationship.
know, but ये इजी थोड़ी होगा. और अंकल आंटी को बताने वाली है.
I don't know. But are you going to?
No.
Hey, तुम लोग भी उठ गए? अम्मू, लग गए.
इतने दिनों के बाद आई फाइनली गॉट मोटिवेटेड और 5 मिनट में
हाँ. तू ब्रो पानी पी ले थोड़ा.
वो क्यों इतना स्वीट बन रहा है?
So guys, like things happen. You don't see them coming, but they happen. And I don't really know how to deal with it, but
तेरा एडमिशन कैंसिल हो गया?
Ammu, this is worse.
इसको जॉब से निकाल दिया?
नहीं यार.
तारा इज प्रेग्नेंट.
Are you okay?
ओके का तो पता नहीं, पर आई जस्ट डोंट वांट दिस, एटलीस्ट नॉट राइट नाउ.
हाँ, हम अबॉर्शन का तो सोच ही रहे हैं, बट यू नो लाइक ये कैसे, मतलब
Let's research right now. Okay? And I will look for procedures.
Terrified is the word. I'm like one step away from my childhood dream of getting into London College of Arts, but definitely this pregnancy had to fuck me up and screw me all over the place. Fuck condoms, man. Like, fuck them. Either way, I got pregnant. Use करके क्या ही फायदा हुआ? I'm on my early phase of pregnancy, but I've got this constant urge of feeling hungry, horny, and sometimes both at the same time.
तारा,
Wait a second. Is that Kabir? His voice just turns me on. Like,
तारा,
just feel like grabbing him.
तारा, found a doctor.
What seems to be the problem, बेटा?
I'm pregnant.
आराम से बताओ.
I've missed my periods and I want to get an abortion done. 3 बार टेस्ट कर लिए हैं and all of them have come positive.
And how old are you?
I'm 21.
अच्छा, 21. What happened is quite unfortunate, but you guys should have been more careful. बेटा, तुम दोनों ने जो किया है ना, वो बहुत घोर पाप है. भगवान भी तुम दोनों को नहीं बचाएगा. बच्चे तो भगवान की देन होते हैं और तुम्हें मारना चाहती हो, और ये पाप तुम मुझसे करवाना चाहती हो. औरत तो औरत का, डोंट डू दैट. Acha, as I was saying, we need to run few tests to know the status of the pregnancy, and then we can take the procedure, whatever you choose to.
अबे डफरों के सरदार, बैंकॉक जाके ऐसे कोई कुछ करता है क्या? अबे 100 चूतिए मरे तब तू पैदा हुआ था. सीरियसली मैन, हाउ डिड यू गेट योर वाइफ टू मैरी यू? चल अब फोन रख, दूसरे लोगों को काम भी होता है. कॉलेज कमीना है. ओके, यू टू.
So we want an abortion.
We. Bacha, what's your name?
Tara.
Okay, Tara. Don't need to worry. It's pretty regular. It's pretty normal. Happens all the time. There's nothing to be upset about or worried about. Don't worry about judgment at all. If you think somebody's judging you, just in from one ear, out of the other. Don't worry. Okay? You okay if I examine you and we do some tests? Sure? Okay? Okay, thanks. Okay, so looking at the reports and the examination, you're 100% healthy. There are absolutely no issues. You can go ahead and have the procedure. But I have to warn you, there's always a chance of preterm labor or secondary infertility after the process is done. preterm labor in your next pregnancy would be when the body gets ready for delivery too early because you've had an abortion. So I just want to make sure that I inform you about it. You don't need to worry. There are thousands of women who go through abortions and are completely healthy, have none of these complications, and are ready to have more children.
Hey Tara, let's order something, na? I think we should have something heavy. Mutton gravy or biryani chaleगी?
Yeah, order whatever.
Hey, this Japanese restaurant has offer on sushi, huh? We can finally try sushi. Do you remember that restaurant? वो मुर्ग मुसलम order किया था, याद है?
I don't know.
तारा यार, suggest something ना.
Kabir, I just really don't care about food right now, okay? Especially after throwing up everything I've had since morning. तुम्हें थोड़ा सा भी idea है how I've been feeling? Or maybe you've just made up your mind कि abortion हो जाएगा and then we are done for good. एक last struggle. That's it, right? Then we are done. Breakup तो decided है. You keep saying that we'll figure this out together, but why does it always feel that I am the only one whose entire future is at stake? Be it my career, my family, or my health. You wanted to know, right, why I was quiet since morning? Here. Read this. And once you're done reading, maybe then you'll know that at this point, like right now, I don't even know whether we are doing the correct thing or not. Thanks.
You wanna talk about this?
Everything just sort of blew up on my face, yeah.
I know. But डॉक्टर ने क्या बोला ये बता.
That maybe in the future, when I'm ready to become a mother, I might have complexities like premature labor. I didn't even know about this. Yup. That's it.
सुन, I have a plan.
यार तू फिर कुछ बकवास करेगी ना.
सुन तो. देख, तुझे मम्मी तो बनना नहीं है.
वाह.
हाँ? अभी नहीं बनना है, लेकिन जब बनना होगा तब की तब देखेंगे.
क्या बात कही है. एक काम करती हूँ ना, मैं 2-4 बच्चे अभी पैदा कर लेती हूँ. यूं.
तो I'll be the cool मासी.
यार थोड़ी फ्यूचर प्लानिंग मुझे भी करने दे. वैसे भी I lashed out on Kabir.
He's Kabir. He'll understand. और वैसे भी then you guys will be that mushy couple.
अमू ब्रेक होने वाला है.
तू करेगी? देख, कुछ ना हम फिगर आउट कर लेंगे. और जो तू ये स्ट्रेस से कद्दू हो गई है ना.
कद्दू.
हाँ.
सीरियसली.
यस मैम. मिरर में देख ले जा.
तारा तारा धीरे धीरे.
Tara Khanna, ma'am, we're ready.
Kabir, where were you?
कुछ काम था. Also, I got something for you.
You know now you didn't have to do this. This is beautiful. Thank you. वैसे, this is that day when we found out.
Yeah. But I was just waiting for the right moment.
I love you. Thank you for staying.
Hey, Tara. Thanks, मत बोल. Yeah, we knew from quite some time that this was gonna end, but there's
But?
something.
Wait a second. I thought that long distance didn't work for you.
Dekh, I just want to work this out, and only with you.
I wanted to. I want us to work this out. I mean, who else would I torture? Only you.
Yeah, Dekh, only for this moment, I had planned a speech. When you would be packing your bags. मेरे को complete करने दे पहले speech.